As you can see, this is proof I was able to use the split screen feature on my iPhone without having to break jail it. I'm excited to share with you this feature that's been available on iPhone for a while now, but still many people don't know about it. So in this video, I'll show you how to enable and use split screen on your iPhone for free. Before we start, let's quickly talk about what split screen is. Split screen, also known as slide over or split view, allows you to use two apps at the same time on your iPhone. This feature is super helpful when you need to multitask, like when you're working, studying, or even just browsing social media. To use split screen on your iPhone, you'll need an iPhone 7 or upward and upgrade to iOS 14 or the latest, which is currently iOS 18. Without wasting much time, let's dive into the video. Firstly, kindly go to your Apple Store. Now tap and search for Dual Window View. Select and download the second app. As you can see, we now have the split screen feature. If this was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more.